General observation is definitely like cloud is becoming a mainstream. So earlier, like if you look at like 4 or 5 years back, the cloud is like one of the option, and then a lot of people had apprehensions in terms of going towards cloud for hosting. But now, nobody thinks about anything else. They say like by default the product has to be available on the cloud, and then everybody says like my product is on Amazon or Azure, and then it's ready to scale, and then I should be fine. And customers actually, the moment you say you are on cloud, customers do feel that, okay, the product is scalable and then secured. So they don't really have a lot of apprehensions. I think that is one trend that I am seeing. And second thing is, by default, whoever are trying to build a new software product, they all think on a SaaS model at this point of time. Nobody thinks about on-premise unless like there is a real technology constraint. Otherwise, like majority of them, whatever we are seeing, especially on the new product, they're all moving towards SaaS and then multi-tenant. And again, a lot of ISVs are migrating their product to a SaaS model. I think there are a lot of such trends happening. And the other thing that we are seeing is like, well, multi-tenancy is not just a ISV concept, it is even applicable on enterprises. Large enterprises are looking at moving towards multi-tenancy for several reasons. One is application consolidation or application maintenance. Plus, again, like now, several of them are global corporations, right? Like you have operations across multiple countries. So if I'm a global corporation and then I have operations across multiple countries, and if I'm going to build a, say, for example, HR system, I would like to have it as a multi-tenant and then bringing all the multi-tenant concepts into the application. So people are moving towards multi-tenancy even within an enterprise context. So that's a kind of like trend that we are seeing.